Meet the Piston ION e-bike rack from Küat. Purpose-built for today's heavy e-bikes, yet versatile enough for any ride. The dedicated 2-inch hitch carries up to 2 bikes with secure, hassle-free transport. Packed with features, the Piston ION is ideal for cargo e-bikes, e-mountain bike riders, road trip travel, and riders who go off the grid or around the block. With 100 pounds per tray capacity and front and rear wheel stabilizers, the Piston ION is perfect for carrying heavy e-bikes with confidence and stability. For Fender Compatibility, easily adjust the wheel chock with a quick slide to fit the correct wheel size when using fenders. For the best fit, position the wheel chock as close to the fenders as possible and secure with provided hook and loop tire strap. Always use the rear tire strap on the tray when carrying bikes with fenders. The ION foot pedal features a new foot pedal lock. Simply spin the knob clockwise to engage when loading with e-bikes or disengage to stow upright. Ensure the foot pedal lock is fully engaged when loaded and in use. Included with the ION, the lightweight all-aluminum e-bike ramp quickly attaches to the tire arm joints and telescopes to an adjusted length for easy bike loading on any terrain. When not in use, the ramp stows away in your trunk or truck bed for transport and storage. The Piston ION uses our patented Flatlock hitch cam system, delivering a solid, wobble-free fit in your hitch receiver. It has a convenient hand-tight knob for a fast, simple, and secure installation. No tools needed. Take your bikes beyond the pavement. The Piston ION is both RV and off-road approved and built to handle varied terrain while keeping your bike secure. Weight capacity decreases to 80 pounds per tray with approved RV use and 50 pounds per tray for off-road use. See RV and off-road limitations for more information. The Piston ION can fit bikes with a maximum wheelbase of 57 inches, wheel sizes from 18 to 29 inches, tires up to 4.8 inches wide, and weighs 68 pounds. Included is a semi-integrated, high-strand 12mm cable lock. Simply feed the cable through the frame and rear tire, loop through the end, and lock into place on the center beam. An optional accessory light kit aids in visibility and road awareness at night, with 2 red lens LED light bars that mimic your vehicle's taillight functions, including brake lights, turn signals, and running lights. Another optional accessory is the ION license plate mount, which rotates a full 90 degrees for proper license plate placement, whether your rack is loaded with bikes or stowed upright. For added visibility, the white LED illuminates the plate at night when paired with the ION light kit, or a dedicated cable to power it independently. Wherever you're headed, whether off the pavement or around the block, the Piston ION is the rack built to handle it all. And it's backed by our no worries limited warranty. The Küat Piston ION, ready for any ride.